Good day everyone. In the video, we are covering the 5 best bottle drying racks on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without this buying guide. Now, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Boon Lawn Countertop Drying Rack. This drying rack for bottles, nipples, and pump parts has several practical advantages. It keeps everything upright, allows for air circulation, and catches drips with a tray underneath. And it looks like an adorable stretch of grass. This is the larger size, so it's great for parents who are doing a lot of bottle feeding, but check and make sure you have the counter space. If you need a slightly smaller size, we have that too. These cute little racks hold a lot more than you would think, especially if you're strategic about resting bottles along the edge. Any downsides to this cute rack? Sometimes if things fall off the blades of grass, it's annoying to dig them out from between the grass blades. At least things don't fall off very easily. Although it's easy to peel the grass off to clean the tray, you have to do it by hand, no dishwashers allowed, and things get kind of moldy if you forget. Another nice thing, you can purchase all kinds of accessories to extend the drying rack, and they're all nature themed like springs, twigs, buds, and stems. And its usefulness lasts past the bottle feeding stage. It's great for drying sippy cups and baby spoons, not to mention your wine glasses. Number 2. Our second best pick is Accessory Space Saving Drying Rack. We know space comes at a premium, especially once your house starts filling with all things baby. This compact drying rack holds all things baby without hogging your much-needed kitchen counter space. The rack fits neatly under cabinets and can be tucked right up against the wall. There's no storage sacrifice here either. This drying rack holds plenty of cups, bottles, and accessories. With a compact design that makes a big impact, the space-saving drying rack will hold cups, bottles, and all their parts without cluttering the countertop. The angled pegs hold cups and bottles at just the right angle for thorough drying, while the top and base are perfect for drying small parts like valves, or even pacifiers. The base tray features ridges to keep lids and more elevated for quick drying, and both the base and top trays are removable for thorough cleaning. OXO is a member of 1% for the Planet, committing 1% of their annual sales to environmental causes. Number 3. Our third best pick is the First Year's Spin Stack Drying Rack. Once you have a baby, you'll notice that your counter space seems to shrink. The First Year's Spin Stack Drying Rack features a space-saving vertical design to use limited counter space while accommodating up to 16 bottles or a combination of items such as pacifiers, nipples, pacifiers, teethers, and more. With 2 adjustable spinning levels, it drains directly into the sink and can be easily stored under kitchen cabinets or stored flat. After the baby's outgrown bottles, this spinning rack lives on as an easy way to dry all the sippy cups your toddler will be using. With the Spin Stack Drying Rack, you can count on seeing your counters again. It can accommodate bottles, it holds up to 16, nipples, breast pump parts, and more. We love the spinning feature too. Anything you need is always within reach. But our favorite part is the reversible drip tray that lets water drip right into the sink, or when flipped around, catches it instead. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Dr. Brown's Universal Baby Bottle and Accessory Drying Rack. Designed with Dr. Brown's products in mind, this universal drying rack will also work with other brands. You can load it up with 12 standard or 8 wide neck bottles, and don't forget training cups, nipples, pacifiers, and components. The design fits cups, bowls, and utensils, too, and the rack folds down for storage. The drying platform is raised about the tray base, where dripping water collects. The whole thing is dishwasher safe, so you can pop it through the wash from time to time to keep it spick and span. The pegs on this bottle drying rack come in lots of different heights, so you can fit just about every size of bottle, nipple, pacifier, and even pump part you can imagine. The slope design helps everything dry faster, and the rack lifts out of the bottom tray for easy cleanup. Fold down the pegs when not in use or if you simply want to stash the rack out of sight. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is OXO On-the-Go Drying Rack with Bottle Brush. You won't need to leave wet bottle parts on a borrowed dish towel or hunt around for a bottle brush when you're away from home anymore. This super portable rack, it measures under 6 inches wide when closed, is easy to stash in your suitcase or diaper bag when you're traveling with bottles or pump parts. The kit comes with a bottle brush that stores right inside the carrying case, and even includes a mini brush within the handle for keeping nipples clean. Just note that the shorter prongs mean taller bottles are prone to tipping over. That's all for now. Don't forget to check the links in the description below. That's all for now. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.